Hi everyone, Rod Bonham here from the Bora product team. We all have that machine that's just a beast. We bought it because it was heavy duty, but we forgot that we need to move it from time to time. The PM-3500 Universal Mobile Base lets you tackle those heavy duty jobs and get your planer, molder, jointer, or table saw on the move with ease. Included in the kit are powder-coated corner brackets, steel tube rails, heavy duty swivel casters, 2 fixed casters, plus all the necessary hardware you'll need to get started. The easy assembly design allows you to expand or contract your base in 1-inch increments, allowing you to accommodate objects from 20 3/4 inches by 23 3/4 inches up to 28 to 33.5 inches with the standard setup. If you need a little bit more room, you can buy an additional rail kit, the PM-3036, to extend your rails, or the PM-3014 that will allow you to join rails together to give you options for large or odd-shaped items. If you're pairing the base with your table saw, there's even an extension table support, the PM-3795, that integrates with your base so that you can move your table saw as one unit. To activate your base, use the metal foot levers that are mounted on the swivel casters to raise and lower your machine. Proven Bora lifting technology does the heavy work for you, letting you lift and support up to 1,500 pounds. That's perfect for larger machines such as bandsaws, jointers, molders, and planers, and everything in between. Bora is the leader in workshop mobility. We build features into our entire mobile base lineup that lets you get the most out of your time in the shop. Our bases are trusted by shop enthusiasts all over the world, and the PM-3500 is no exception. We offer category-leading features such as steel foot levers, adjustable and expandable rail systems, leveling feet, and quality casters for a smooth ride. Available online and in stores through our dealer network, the PM-3500 is the perfect solution to increase mobility and flexibility in your shop. Go to boratool.com today to find a dealer near you.